You might have heard of conversational AI, but what is it? Conversational AI is a technology which allows you to communicate with a computer by typing or talking. It uses technologies like natural language processing to understand what you're trying to say, which admittedly is quite a difficult task at the moment, but it's getting better. Examples are Google Home, Siri, or Amazon Alexa. But it's also used in chatbots for customer service, education, booking processes if you want to book a train or plane, or internal communication. Imagine yourself being a new employee at a company and you need information but don't want to ask your colleagues. Just write your chatbot and he's getting the information for you. Have you interacted with a conversational AI before? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.